Hey guys, check it out. This is my newest listing, about to go live on the MLS next week. This is an off-market triplex, a legally zoned triplex in Clarkston, Georgia. All brand new, everything is brand new, top to bottom. We have the city approval, stamps, inspections, everything for this project. So check it out and let me know if you're interested in buying it. It's going to be going at $385,000. The potential rental income is around $3,200. It will qualify for FHA, so you can live in one unit and rent out the others. So this is a great money maker. This is a great house hacking. This is a great Airbnb building. So let me walk you through it so you can see for yourself. So it's going to be a four-sided brick building, brand new windows, fresh paint. We got one parking pad, two parking pads, and tons of parking all around the side of the building, so parking won't be an issue. Two buildings, the two front units are townhouse style, so 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, the living area and the kitchen downstairs. So let me take you into one of the units up here. Here's the entrance of the upper units. Got a living area here, open concept, new kitchen cabinet, soft close, new granite appliances. We got the subway backsplash, so see, pretty modern looking. So here we go, it's the living room. We got the can lights, LED. It's all brand new electrical, all brand new plumbing, brand new HVAC with warranty. Each upper unit comes with a deck like this, separated for privacy, and you see the large parking space in the back. So it's a large parking pad back there. This is the backyard view. Like, this job is fully permitted, fully inspected by the city of Clarkston. You see everything is brand new, so it'll be a very low maintenance investment. Let's go upstairs here so you can see the layout. I won't show you the other upper units since it's identical layout and identical finishes. So we got laminate flooring throughout. Both upper units come with the same tile finishes like that. Brand new bathtub, brand new tile. You got the vanities, new toilets, new vinyl windows. Each unit has a washer dryer stackable connection, which is convenient for tenants. Fairly large bedroom here. Bedroom number 1 upstairs, bedroom number 2. So each one is a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the next door unit is identical. Next, I'll take you to the basement unit, unit number 3. Here we are, we made it to the back of the property. You see the 3 brand new HVAC units, 1, 2, 3, 10-year warranties on all the systems. Now let me take you inside unit number 3. This one's really large. It's like 1,200 square feet. Here we are in the basement unit. We have a large unit here. Brand new kitchen, same thing. Granite countertops, backsplash appliances. Living area. We have the tile floors, and then we got laminate in the bathrooms, in the bedrooms. We have same stackable area for washer and dryer. Got the water heater space right here, brand new. Okay. So then we have, again, a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom spanning through the whole basement. See that? Nice, clean finishes. Here's the laminate flooring and the 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. And here is bedroom number 2. So yeah, that's the triplex we have. So like I said, we're about ready to go on market. We're gonna take photos. We're gonna get this baby on the MLS. So if you have any interest, you know the demand is high for these multifamily units, especially the legal ones. Fully approved by the city, stamped, approved, all inspections passed. So reach out to me, $385,000, potential gross rent around $3,200. And give you more information. Hope to hear from you.